How's it going?
Dario.
I see you're having a problem with dismounting this ball bearing 6314, right?
Yes, it's too big for my BP61.
Okay, I have here our brand new Sima tool, the bearing puller BP160. Let's have a look.
That sounds very interesting. Can you show it to me?
Of course. With the bearing puller, over 50 different ball bearings can be extracted, and you can use the tool in a wide variety of different industries.
Fantastic. That's what I need, man. Okay, Dario, and how is the bearing extracted?
The ball adapter grips the bearing in the bearing race. To achieve this, you have to drill 2 holes opposite of each other. Afterwards, you insert the ball adapters and rotate them 90 degrees.
Hey, Dario, that's neat. And look, what is that for?
Good question, Mark. So these are the extensions. You can use the extensions to extract hard-to-reach ball bearings without removing any components.
And Dario, if I lose, for example, this little thing, what can I do?
As with all other CMOC tools, you can easily reorder all components you can see here if something should be lost.
When will the new tool be available?
The new tool will be available up to now, so you can buy the tool through Simatech or through selected partners around the world.
That's amazing, Dario. That is just what I need. Hey, can I keep it?
Yes, for sure, you can keep it. But please, don't forget to send us your application video afterwards.
I will do so. Thank you.
Awesome, thanks for your time, Mark.